Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald. On the application of Snapchat, we click on Settings. In this page here, we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then we go to Above. You will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of App Info, you will go to First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.